Oscar Garcia, founder and CEO of Uulala, featured on Spot On Insurance podcast. Oscar Garcia, founder and CEO of Uulala, was recently interviewed by Spot On Insurance podcast about how he helps people have financial credibility despite their underbanked or unbanked status. On a recent episode of the Spot On Insurance podcast with Ted and Arlene Taveras, founders of Insurance Licensing Services of America Incorporated, ILSA, Oscar Garcia, founder and CEO of Uulala, and Andre Ureña, Uulala head of Latino partnerships, share their humble beginnings and the need for their technology that inspired Oscar to develop Uulala. Oscar also shares his wisdom when it comes to starting, running, and scaling a business. Ted and Arlene Taveras, the founders of Insurance Licensing Services of America Incorporated, better known as ILSA, have enjoyed tremendous success and personal fulfillment in the insurance industry and are now sharing all they have learned with others through their successful podcast. During the interview with Spot On Insurance podcast hosts Ted and Arlene Taveras, Oscar Garcia of Uulala discussed his dream-changing injury that caused him to transition from training to become a U.S. Olympic diver to a businessman and eventual founder of Uulala. During the interview, Oscar Garcia stated, "You will get more referrals from people who like you than from those you treated as another number." According to Garcia, the best piece of advice is, get rid of all the negative people in your life right now. When asked about his vision for Uulala and how his creation could help millions, Mr. Garcia explained, "Our goal is to provide people financial access and choices to services and bring them back human dignity. The Latin culture for so long has been preyed upon by the financial services industry. That stops with Uulala. Uulala empowers the unbanked through sustainable inclusion in the formal economy with financial technology and education. Their app is live for download in Mexico, with their solution being rolled out in the U.S. this summer. The Uulala financial ecosystem encompasses B2B/B2C real-time cross-border payouts, instant peer-to-peer money transfers, QR code payment system, mobile wallet, virtual and physical cards, microfinancing, an international blockchain-based credit scoring system, and blockchain-based digital identities." To hear the full interview. To learn more about Oscar Garcia and Uulala, please visit. About Uulala. Uulala is a blockchain-powered fintech company that facilitates and accelerates the financial inclusion of the underbanked and unbanked populations. Uulala empowers the underbanked communities by providing financial tools to easily send and receive payments, pay bills, receive microfinancing, and build an international blockchain-based credit profile and digital identity.